Exactly. What a beautiful day today. 77 degrees has been the high temperature in Austin this afternoon. Just remarkable. This is supposed to be our coldest time of the year, this second week of January on average, but not this year. And we're not alone. You've been hearing the stories. Most of the country so far experiencing a season without winter. Live view from our Highland Furniture Center camera out there in Marble Falls. That's Granite Mountain right back over there. Beautiful view tonight with some high clouds in the sky, but that's about it. Still 74 degrees in the city right now. We'll fall about 10 degrees by 8 p.m., but that's still wonderful, above normal. By 10 o'clock, the front should be into the metro area. If we're not at 50, we're pretty close to it, maybe even down into the upper 40s. We'll be in the 40s at that hour with increasing north winds in the hill country. So you folks out here, you're going to get the front first. Enjoy these next couple of hours because it is super. 72 from Mason to Fredericksburg to Llano over into Burnett County, even 75 in the Marble Falls and Horseshoe Bay area. Low and mid 70s here in our metro area. South Austin at 72, Georgetown still at 75, and off to the east, you folks are doing just fine too. Bastrop coming in at 73. Austin's mostly clear and 74. The airport mostly clear and 72 degrees. Wind southwesterly. That's why it's so warm today. You get a southwesterly wind. That's typically a warming wind, and they're blowing at 8 to 14 miles per hour right now. They've been gusting up to 25 at times, and that has shaken loose some cedar pollen out of those cedar trees today and taken that count back up into the very high category at 3,185. It may be worse tomorrow because the winds are going to be much stronger tonight into tomorrow morning. Mold count today, 535 medium. Around the state, look at there, 81 in Corpus Christi, 33 in Amarillo. You can see the cold front that is headed our way. In fact, it's moving into the big country right now. It'll race into the hill country here during the evening hours, reaching the metro area very likely before 10 p.m. tonight, and then quickly blowing on through the area all the way to the coast by morning. We'll have gusty north winds, a wind advisory in effect for North Texas, but our winds, too, are going to be strong. They may gust to 35 miles per hour at times overnight tonight. You will hear this front at times, probably might even wake you up in the middle of the night because of the strong winds. Then a little patch of cloudiness coming in on Friday, but it will still be a chilly day and probably freezing weather. Look where this cold weather source is coming from here. 17 in Denver, 13 in Fargo, but one of their few tastes of winter so far this season. And it's not going to last very long. We'll have a couple of cold nights and cool afternoons, and then we're right back up to maybe 70 degrees by the holiday on Monday. Temperatures tonight, low and mid 30s, but the colder night will be tomorrow night. The winds will keep temperatures just above freezing in the metro area tonight. Then tomorrow, we may not get much above 50 degrees, actually, so 25 degrees colder tomorrow. Gusty northwest winds, 15 to 30 late tonight after that front blows through. 35 in Austin, 52 tomorrow. North winds 15 to 25 in the morning. The winds will begin decreasing tomorrow afternoon, but noticeably colder. Freezing Friday morning. Freezing Saturday morning. But then a warming trend begins. And then Monday is Martin Luther King Jr. holiday. And we may be back to 70 degrees again, and it looks like maybe a slight chance of rain from Sunday evening into Monday. And that's your 7-day first warning forecast. We'll be right back.